Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over how to fix a dryer that's leaking. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are surprised that their dryer seems to be leaking. So this happened to me this morning. And so I already fixed it, and this is what actually happened. So if we actually go to the back here, what you see here as far as like this big metal vent goes, this right here is the dry vent. And with this dry vent, the reason why my dryer was leaking was because the dry vent actually came off. So if we take a look up closer here, over there, right near that blue tape, that screw, that is the ring that actually tightens this dry vent, okay? So you can just get a screwdriver and tighten that up. So what I actually had to do was that I actually had to move my dryer out of the way. And then with that, I dried up the water underneath the dryer, but then this screw over here, I actually tightened. Now, the weird thing was that this screw was actually upside down, so it was hard for me to position the dry vent. So I actually had to disconnect it from this end, right? So let me actually move closer as far as you seeing that screw. So it's a very simple screw that just tightens, and it's a ring, okay? It's a metal ring that you can see right there that tightens the dry vent around the actual dry vent over here on the wall. So if you can't access the dry vent here, you can loosen it up on this end here and then tighten it there and then re-tighten it over there. So overall, this took me about less than like 5 minutes to fix. I would say I was surprised to see that the dry vent actually came loose, but I've been in this house for about 2 years now, and I guess that happens sometimes. But even so, if you find that your dryer is leaking, this might be the cause to your problem. Check to make sure that this dry vent over here is tightened up, and if it's not, you can easily tighten yourself. Just make sure to wear gloves though, just because the rings slash aluminum dry vent, which is what you see here, it is kind of sharp, so make sure to wear gloves while tightening it. But as you can see now, it is tightened and now there is no leaking. So the reason why the leaking does happen though is because if there's no vent for the hot air to exit out of, so this vent actually goes towards the outdoors, it's going to accumulate in the dryer, therefore causing it to leak, just because there's no way for it to escape outdoors. But even so, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.